What's up, guys? It's the Forex Prince James here, back at it with another one. Today's video is going to be a really interesting video for you guys. I'm going to be giving you a strategy that's going to help you on the minute 5 chart make some profits. But before that, quick disclaimer: anything I show you here is for only educational purposes. I do highly encourage that you test everything out in your demo account before you go ahead and you test it on your live accounts. Also, anything that I do show you is not set to go ahead and just make you a millionaire. All right, my goal here is not to be anybody's mentor. My goal here is to teach you to become your own independent trader or broker. That too, whatever your case. But still, like I said, very good video today. I just want to show you guys this quick strategy I came up with, and I utilize it right now currently with inside of my system. So this is just a little part. If you also want to get a piece of that little system, I'll also drop a link down in the description for that. Also with that, my course is complete. All right, like finished, like done, like whatever word you can put after that, it's done. You feel me? So you can grab that right now or whenever you can. It's right now. It's on. It's super duper affordable. When I mean that this course is so affordable, but it has so much content and gems in it, it's just basically like you're getting a steal. All right. So right now, like I said, if you're interested in that course, the link is also down in the description. Feel free to like this video. Liking this video helps this video get seen by other people. And if you feel as though you got gems from this video, people also will also get gems from this video. So let's all each one teach one. I try to preach that a lot. Let's all do that. If I know something, I want you guys to know. If you know something, I want you to pass that knowledge on to the next person, because you never know what that knowledge can do for that person in their life. So with that being said, no further ado, let's get to the video. All right, cool. If you can check right now, I'm on gold. You feel me? I'm on a 5-minute chart on gold. I'm also looking at this chart with price. I ain't moved nothing. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing yet. All right, we ain't doing top-down analysis, none of that. We doing what's right here on the screen. We're not doing none of that. So you can see, like I said, minute 5. You can see. Give me 1 second. Kids in the background. All right, so back to where we was. All right, so like I said, we're on the minute 5 chart. What we have down here is the RSI, and we have the RSI. We have the stochastics and 2 moving averages. Right now, I'm going to release those settings for you right now. I have a 14-period RSI, and I have the style at let me put that to 1 pixel because I don't really want it on there. I have it at a 1 pixel with it black. These are my levels, all right, with everything. PS is possible sell, PB is possible buy, OB is overbought, OS is oversold, and then 50 is range. So that's the way I got it. And then I got 2 moving averages, but I'm gonna go to my stochastic. All right, my stochastic, these settings right here are to die for. What I mean that is they're set. I'm telling you. These lines are accurate. Boy, when I tell you my stochastic don't be lying, my stochastic don't be lying. All right, I could probably space it out a little bit more, but it's cool. Just like this, I got the K period moving at a 32. I got the D period moving at a 1, and I got the slowing at a 5. And I also have it set to close. But the method can be any of the 3. When I mean simple, exponential, or smooth. I never use linear weighted. And I got the main line blacked out, which is the I believe the K period line. I got that moved out. And then for the signal line, I have the signal line purple, and I have it set as a 2 pixel. I don't have any levels or anything set with that. But now my moving averages, right? This is for sales. I have a 25 period moving at a -4. I have a 25 moving period average, and I have it shifted back 4 places so it could be right on top of price. I have this set to the second higher low, meaning I explain it when I get into a little bit more. But I have it set at a simple. It could be set at any 3. I also have that set at a 4 pixel. And while I have that set at a 4 pixel, it is red. So let's go back. My other moving average. Oh, sorry. My other moving average is set at a 14 moving period. It's also shifted back, and it's set at the second higher low. It's at a 4 pixel and it's green. This is for price. This is for buys. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back. We don't need to worry about the moving averages up top is the same ones. So, and the orange line is a 200. So now let's go down here. This recent price. Price came down here. It was in the oversold territory, and you see my purple lines, my stochastic, and then you got sell pressure and buying pressure. That's what the two moving averages is, right? And I only have the RSI chart because everything is mapped into the RSI. When you do it this way, when you hit this plus sign and you put another indicator in here, it goes within that window. All the data gets crunched, all right, to fit and make sure it matches. So, like I said, price came down here. It was oversold, and then it shot up for a buy. Nice good buy, you know. Nice good buy. You would have look at that buy. That buy is can be easily $1,000. All right. So shot up. I have the moving average is set at the second higher low because I'm about to show you now. When price entered, right, the cross didn't happen at the first higher low. This was technically the first higher. Let me see. This was the first higher low. All right, no, I'm wrong. This was the first higher low, right here, and then this was the second. Cross happened on the second higher low. That's when you want to get your entry. All right, so it happened. It crossed. I got my indicator. It did what it did. Boom. I would have got my alert, and I'd have bought here, and I probably would have just rode this first little wave. But see, they opened up. And when they open up, I wait because the stochastic gonna tell you. Stochastic came to about here, right there. I probably would close my trade out, which is on the chart right here. I'd have closed my trade out here from being way down there. I'd have been perfect, all right, and I'd have closed out and I'd have been happy. So just to show you the strategy again. So like I said. Oversold. You see the stochastic stayed in the oversold. You don't have to worry about the stochastic. Price came down into oversold territory. Price bounced back up into overbought territory. All right. Then right here at the overbought territory, this is for my scalpers. You got your overbought signal. Boom. It passed. You would have got possible sell. You would have jumped in for your entry. Boom. I would have rolled it from the top. Look, it started coming back down, started creeping. These indicators only go up and down. They're lagging indicators, but I fixed them to be some be leading and some be right on point. All right, so boom, price fell. Stochastic came here. That's entry 1. That's exit 1. You know, I wouldn't have put a buy right there because you see price still way up there. Boom, I would have rolled price down. Boom. Boom. From here to here, 3 higher lows, significant downtrend channel. I could put a trend line right here, put another trend line right here, and put it in the channel. But I don't need to because we're going to back test. What I say? Price comes from being out of oversold and go to the next one. You see it keep backing up because price, it has to adjust the price. All right? Price is in the oversold territory for a little minute. We call that range. Then it shot up. Boom. Took off. Boom. This is the 50 line. 50 line would have fell. You could have got out. That would have been a good trade. That would have been a good trade. See, this is here. Boom. It's a 50 line. Boom. Good trade. Next cross. From cross to cross. Cross to cross. You'd have been fine. And from cross to cross, you'd have been gravy. Cross to cross. Cross to cross. That's not really a cross, but cross. You'd have been gravy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Now, just to show you that this strategy worked, because people say, "Oh, those are hand-picked trades right there. The last 2." I always do recent price action trades. All right. So those are recent price action trades, but because people think that, you know, these trades are handpicked. I sat here and waited 30,000 hours. Let's shoo. Hold up one second. Shoo. Let it stop. Wow. You see price was in the oversold margin. And you got the 50 moving average coming down, right? You got the 50 moving average coming down, right? Look, price is in the overbought territory for mad long. It's up there. It did a range up there. First cross. Boom. Second cross. Boom. Third cross. Boom. Look at them. Look at them. Look at that money. You would have been in profit. Boom. Price came down, right? Price was still coming down because of the 200 moving average. I wouldn't have jumped out. I'd have kept looking for sell trades. All right. So people say, oh, I would have waited for this to do what it do. Look, price turned around. I would have picked them up. Picked all of them up. And then price went back down for a sell after touching the 200. Came back down. Came back down. Played with the 200. Played with the 200. Played with it. Did what it did. Look, price is doing what it's supposed to do. Look, I'm moving with the chart to show you that these are no hand-picked trades, okay? Oh. Price is moving. You can see that the lines is over or over or over. Look at that. Accurate. So like I said, if you want this strategy, man, you can watch the video and write your own settings, or I could leave a link down for a trading view for you to use it in the trading view and set up your alerts and everything. I can leave all that down in the description below. There will be, all right? Also, to pay attention, like I said, my course is there, my website is there, my team, my Facebook group is through the website. You have to go through there, put your email in, and get it. But like I said, all the helpful links are right there in the description. Let's not take action, you know? Let's take some action, and let's start getting proper training. Like I said, my course is super duper affordable, all right? It's lower than my phone bill. That's how low my course is, all right? And I don't know about y'all, but I got Metro, right? So, still, yeah, man, let's take action. I hope you get blessed from this video. I hope everything is worth it. I hope everything is going well in your life. I hope everything is straight. I hope COVID-19 isn't doing too much damage out here. And I hope 2020 isn't smacking you in. But still, with that being said, with that being due, I love you guys. Stay blessed.